Origin and development of factories. ACT 1948. In Great Britain, there was a rapid growth of industrial towns and factories. During the second half of the 18th century, as these factories were set up, virtually without proper planning, most of the cases, the factories used to run on ad hoc basis. Even women as well as their children were also employed in the factories where they needed to work for more than 12 hours a day. Some of the employers, however, took initiative to implement labor legislations for the well-being of its workers, and as a result, the Factories Act came into existence. In 1819, after some modifications, the final amendment of Factories Act took place in 1948. In India, the first Factories Act was passed in 1881. This act was basically designed to protect children and to provide few measures for health and safety of the workers. This law was applicable to only those factories which employed 100 or more workers. In 1891, another Factories Act was passed, which extended to the factories employee 50 or more work. The objectives of Factories Act. The Factories Act, 1948 was brought in with the following objectives: to ensure adequate safety measures in, to promote the health and safety and welfare of the workers employed in factories. The Act also makes provisions regarding employment of women and young persons, annual leave with wages, etc.